machines, I jury for Ivor. You make the grass grow from Ivor. But now, you see abandonation lasting confusion. But yet they want decision for no solution. Still
abandonation. Don't you wanna free? Oh, abandonation. Don't you wanna free? Abandonation. Don't you wanna free? Oh, abandonation. Don't you wanna free? We've been longing for freedom. We've been wanting to be free, yeah, from the physical and mental slavery and brutality everywhere. We're like the rejected stone that becomes the pillar of the house. We know we'll be free someday because it has been written by great man of Jah. Will you go to Jah? Where I am coming from, we know he will never let his children down. So we're very sure to be free from this slavery. Abandonation, don't you wanna free? 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 Don't you want to be free from this spiritual slavery? Fret not thyself, cause I know you've got nothing to lose. Stand up for your right and never give up the fight. No fears, no fight, no fears, no fight yet. You shall see the light. Will you come to Jah? Where I am coming from, we know he will never let his children down. So we're very sure to be free from the slavery. Abandonation, don't you wanna free? Oh, abandonation, don't you wanna free? Yes, abandonation, don't you wanna free? Oh, abandonation, don't you wanna free?
Me say this one now abandonation. Me say this one now abandonation. Them a lost in confusion. Yeah, they want a decision, but no solution in this island iration. Nah. Abandonation want freedom, but they can't get the freedom because the word Jesus Christ of Nazareth. They must forget Jesus Christ of Nazareth. God.
Don't you want to be free from the spiritual slavery? Fret not thyself, 'cause I know you've got nothing to lose. Stand up for your right and never give up the struggle. No fears, no fight, no fears, no fight, yet you shall see the light. Will you come to Jah? Where I am coming from, we know he will never let his children down. And we're very sure to be free from this slavery. wanna free.
Abandon nation. Don't you wanna free?
Yeah.
Abandon nation. Don't you wanna free? Abandon nation. Don't you wanna free?
evil want to take my life, I know Jaja knows Wadada. Oh, Rasta Hija Wadada, Wadada. Crucify them, give them palaba. Crucify them, Jaja, give them palaba. Crucify them, give them palaba. Crucify them, give them palaba. Crucify them, Jaja, give them palaba. Crucify them, give them palaba. Oh, Wadada. Oh, Rasta Hija Wadada, Wadada. Oh, Wadada. Oh, Rasta Hija Wadada, Wadada. At the time of meditation, I give my life to Jah. But them evil want to take my life, I know Jaja knows Wadada. Oh, Rasta Hija Wadada, Wadada. Oh, Wadada. Oh, Rasta Hija Wadada, Wadada. At the time of meditation, I give my life to Jah. But them evil want to take my life, I know Jaja knows Wadada. Oh, Rasta Hija Wadada, Wadada. Crucify them, give them palaba. Crucify them, Jaja, give them palaba. Crucify them, give them wahala. Crucify them, Jaja, give them palaba. Crucify them, give them palaba. Crucify them, give them palaba. At the time of meditation, I give my life to Jah. But them evil want to take my life, I know Jaja knows Wadada. Oh, Rasta Hija Wadada, Wadada. Crucify them, Jaja, give them palaba. Crucify them, Jaja, give them palaba. Crucify them, give them wahala.
with the simple pants. I and I deal with truth and right. I and I right just Rasta. Good God. Ayaga yaga yaga yo. Ayaga yaga yaga yo. Hey, say the Rasta man of them a one. Say the Rasta man of them a need. A Rasta Kimono they want. So what? A Rasta Kimono they sing. Hey, then a Rasta Kimono they come. I say me coming with the message from Jah that Ethiopia must be free. I tell you, Nigeria must be free. I tell you, all Africa must be free. Them no love white man, them no love coolie man, them no love China man, just a pure Africa man, them want. Say what? I just a pure Africa man, them want. Them no love white man, them no love coolie man, them no love China man, just a pure Africa man, them want. I just a pure Africa man, them want. Good God. Bam 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 bim bim bam bim. Billy 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 babim. Hey. Say the Rasta man of them a one. A Rasta man of them a need. Hey. A Rasta Kimono they want. Say the Rasta Kimono they need. Say the Rasta Kimono they talk. Say the Rasta Kimono they sing. Hey. A Rasta Kimono they come. I say me coming with the message from Jah that Nigeria must be free. I tell you, Ethiopia must be free. I tell you, all Africa must be free.
One, two, three, four. We got to teach the children. We got to teach the children. Lord, the teachings of His Majesty. The teachings of His Majesty. Rastafari. Selassie. Rastafari. Selassie. Rastafari. Selassie. Rastafari. Woe be unto those false prophets that lead my sheep astray, for they shall stumble and fall down and melt away like snow. For Jah no need them in His kingdom, for they are Babylonians. For Jah no need them in His kingdom, for they are Congo Milas. For Jah no need We got to teach the children. We got to teach the children, Lord, the teachings of His Majesty. The teachings of His Majesty. Rastafari, Selassie, Rastafari, Selassie, Rastafari, Selassie, Rastafari. Woe be unto those false prophets that lead my sheep astray, for they shall stumble and fall down and melt away like snow. For Jah no need them in His kingdom, for they are Babylonians. For Jah no need them in His kingdom, for they are Kungu. For Jah no need them in His kingdom, for they are Babylonians. We got to teach the children. We got to teach the children, Lord, the teachings of His Majesty. The teachings of His Majesty. Rastafari, Selassie, Rastafari, Selassie, Rastafari, Selassie, Rastafari. Woe be unto those false prophets that lead my sheep astray, for they shall stumble and fall down and melt away like snow. For Jah no need them in His kingdom, for they are Babylonians. For Jah no need them in His kingdom, for they are Congo Millers. For Jah no need them in His kingdom, for they are Babylonians.
Sometimes I feel like facing reality. 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 Hey. Well, 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 well. Yeah, 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 yeah. Imagine opportunity. Yeah. Imagine no security. Imagine 'cause you see, when there is Judas, the ways to save your one, to mark our identity, and see it's true. You're a spokesman, a journalist. Come tell my people what we want to be. Oh, spokesman, a journalist. Come tell my people what we want to be. Hey. Sometimes I feel like I'm facing reality. Sometimes I feel like facing reality. Sometimes I feel like facing reality.
Jah guide your soul. Jah watch me now singing with tears and the sorrow. Oh Lord. Jah watch me now singing with tears and the sorrow. Lord have mercy. I will never forget the day, Jah 12th of August 1989. On the National Stadium, Surulere, Lagos, where a hero died. Some Okwaraji boy, such a woman, Joe, boy. Me never see who he tell me how it all happened. Oh Jah, where the wicked people kill him with a remote control, where the natural death. But all we know is that he was too nice to die in that way. Oh Jah, so we came in this wicked world on 19th May 1964, with life full of struggles and restlessness, which made him a game and hero. Let some Okwaraji, we shall never forget you. Cause he died when playing football for our nation, Nigeria. Let some Okwaraji, we shall never forget you. Cause he died when playing football for our nation, Nigeria. Okwaraji me oi, Okwaraji me oi, Lord have mercy, Chiwai. Me know some Okwaraji, a sacred patriot, illustrious son, professional footballer, a soccer idol, celebrated soccer star, midfield maestro, an academician, lover of the African brothers, staying in Jamaica, and that's why he was always on dreadlocks. A linguist, USA, speaking Italian, Igbo and English, German, Spanish, and Yugoslavia, brilliant son. Let some Okwaraji, we shall never forget you. Cause he died when playing football for our nation, Nigeria. Let some Okwaraji, we shall never forget you. Cause he died when playing football for our nation, Nigeria. Okwaraji me oi, Okwaraji me oi, Lord have mercy, Chiwai. I could have died when we needed his family brother, oh Sam. Irreparable Jah to this our nation, Nigeria. Irreparable Jah to his soccer fans, oh Jah. Super Eagles could not fly cause of your damaged brother. Rest in a perfect peace. Adieu, brother Sam. You were a soccer genius, oh Lord.
and the disappear can that she stay in a way land. They more be kill and they more rich and they more shoot. Ja them loot.